Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add filters on the CapCut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy of to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a video and new. If you want to add filters, just go to the lower bar, and tap to the edit button at the lower left corner. You can find the filters option next to the transform. Tap that, and here you can find different filter option. Okay, so for example, life, landscape, and different thematics, and just select one and you can use that for your video. And if you finish, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.